No more bread, a quick and easy breakfast. For this recipe, we will need 2 bananas. Tell me what you usually make for breakfast. I'd love to know your recipes. Mash the bananas with the help of a fork. And before I forget, tell me where you are watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for De Sol Cartagena from Philippines. I'm happy to hear that you're loving our recipes. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, the mashed bananas, and stir to combine. You guys, make this breakfast in your house. I'm sure you'll want to make it again and again because it's so delicious. Your breakfast will never be the same after you learn this recipe. I swear, after I learned it, I can't stop eating it. Add 4 tablespoons of oatmeal and stir to combine. In a pan, add a little bit of olive oil. Spread it well with a brush. Add the mixture we made in the pan. Even it out. Cover it and let it bake. One side is ready. Now turn it over to bake the other side. Cover it and let it bake for 2 more minutes on low heat. And our recipe is ready. Just sprinkle cinnamon powder on top and serve. Look how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.